What the hell? Dude, I've run into those dumbass birds before. Not like that. I mean, I've hit them with my car. Not cool, I know. But wow, what the hell? Those birds are like prehistoric. They make a weird noise. I guess I came up on them. I don't know. I scared them. I didn't see them. He flew right up in front of me. Love that sound of the FMF, man. Oh, dang, fucking nature. Mother nature. Alligators over here and crazy ass birds over there. Dude, that was crazy. Glad I got that on video. No one would have ever believed it. That was inches from that son of a bitch. You gotta watch out. There's dead deer out in here too, because they get hit by the street. Sad, they come across the woods there and they get clobbered by these cars. Thank you. Alright, we got yelled at over here last time. Now we got an FMF on here. Let's make some more noise. Private property again. I got a camera on it now. Back in here. HOA clubhouse. How are you doing today? There's the park where all the kids play. Here's some nature. Kill two birds with one stone, or is it two birds with one dirt bike? I don't know. Keep it to the minimum. We don't want to wake anybody up who might be sleeping. Sounds like a lawnmower. Just sounds like a lawnmower, that's all. Alright, here. The dude with the golf cart's never here anymore. What happened to St. John? Where'd he go? No, Karen lives over here. So let's try to wake her up. Yeah, I bet you don't like it. Oh, I'm sorry you don't like it. You don't have to like it, Karen. Usually I go back that way too. There's too many crybabies around here. I need to get back to the dirt bike track.